some coming out of that top left vent.
Okay. Oh my God, the fire alarm's going off. Hi, my name is Rob Turner. I'm a mechanical engineer here at Charleston Engineering. And I wanted to tell you all about a very cool test we did on a historic building in downtown Charleston. It was a fire station and it had a major humidity problem. There's 2 floors. You got the garage on the first floor where they keep the fire trucks, and the second floor is the day room, the kitchen with full kitchen hood, and the bunk rooms. All right, above that is the sealed attic. All right, they were having major humidity problems, and my theory was the sealed attic was not sealed. They had 70% relative humidity. They had warping boards. They had dripping grills and dripping ducts. Historic buildings are very leaky, and too much hot, humid infiltration will wreak havoc. It's very destructive. The hard part is finding out where the building is leaking. So I came up with this test using smoke bombs, and we put smoke bombs in the attic in a metal tray. They're non-toxic, and we hooked up a blower door test to the entrance door of the second floor. So the second floor is being positively pressurized, as well as the attic. And I wanted to see where it pushed the smoke out, so that would tell us where the hot, humid air is infiltrating into the building. So the point was to find those spots and plug them up, all right? This is what we did. Okay, so here's the building. You've got the garage down low with the fire trucks. You've got the air-conditioned second floor with the sleeping room, kitchen hood, day room, and then you've got this attic above that was designed to be sealed with spray foam insulation. So my theory was the attic was leaking, and we put the smoke bomb off up here in the attic, and then we had a blower door fan blowing into the first floor, pressurizing all this. Well, the smoke got pushed out a number of places, as you will see. But basically, the worst one was there was 8 structural beams that went on each side of the garage doors. So there was 4 on the front and 4 on the back. And they were boxed in all the way up to the attic. What happened was the smoke pushed through the top of this beam inside the box, and it was coming out down in the garage. That was the first major thing we found. It was coming out all over the place, near the windows, the cap on the roof curbs. Take a look at the video. The column.
It's right here.
It's probably going to come out. It's coming out the other column too.
The column. Wow.
There's some coming out of that top left vent.
Okay. Oh my God, the fire alarm's going off. After this smoke test, the contractor was able to plug up most of the holes, and the building humidity has gone down to 45%.
And
Yeah.
move your bag out of your way.
Okay. There's the bridge.